How to replace a human touch WholeBody ROVE foot and calf massager. You will need a flathead screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, detach the foot and calf massager upholstery from the seat. Now, use your fingers to pry the retaining clip off each foot and calf massager mounting post. Slide the massager to the right to disengage the mounting brackets from the posts, then set it on the floor. Next, use a flathead screwdriver to depress the connector locking tab, then disconnect the connector and the air hose. You can now remove the massager. To install the new massager, place it into position in front of the chair, then connect the connector and air hose. Next, slide the massager mounting brackets onto the mounting posts from the right. Install a retaining clip onto each mounting post, with the tongue facing to the right. Press the upholstered flap onto the seat to attach it, then press down on the body pad to secure it. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.